This is a really quick video on how you can turn an old laptop into an OctoPrint server. So I've got it all set up here, but I want to go over kind of what you can do with it and some points where it can get a little confusing. So the very first thing you want to do is you want to get your laptop all set up. You want to reset it if you got it from someone else, or it's going to be a dedicated OctoPrint server. Get rid of some of those files, speed it up. And then you're going to connect your laptop to your printer. This is my Ender 5 Pro. And once you've done that, you're going to want to download OctoPrint. So you'll go to octoprint.org, downloads, scroll down to the Windows installer, which is going to take you to GitHub. You're going to click on the newest release, and then you're going to click on OctoPrint Setup. And if I'm going a little fast, don't worry about it. I'm going to put a link to Leo Tech Lab's video. He goes into much more detail about this. This is kind of a quick overview and some points where it got a little confusing to me, so I'm hoping that I can help some other people with it. And then once you do that, it's gonna say, I don't believe that this is that I don't trust this program. Hit keep and run the exe. And once you're done with the setup, you will be here. And one of the things during the setup, especially with these older computers, it's really slow. So give it like 30 minutes, an hour at least. It kind of looks like it's crashed at the end, but it usually makes it through the... So this is a spot where a lot of people get really confused, because you have your computer here and it's plugged in and you can control your printer from this computer, but there isn't a whole lot of easy to find documentation on how to set up another computer to get onto this server. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go into your settings. You're gonna find your Wi-Fi network. You're gonna make sure it's private, and you're also gonna go to properties and find your IPv4 number. And that number with a colon and this port number here, which 5000 is the default, so it'll probably be 5000 for you unless you change it during your setup. You'll take that number, and this is just an example of the number because your number won't be the same as mine. It'll be probably like 3 digits, dot 3 digits, dot 2 digits, dot 2 digits, and then colon 5000. It won't always be like that. You'll have your own specific one, but you're going to type that into your browser, and then you will be able to access OctoPrint from another computer. So hopefully this helps. It's a really nice way to breathe new life into an older printer, and you can do quite a lot from it. You could even use Orca Slicer and then go to devices, and it'll actually be set up so that you can get to OctoPrint. You could even print from here and send it straight to your printer via Wi-Fi. If you're interested in how to do that, I will link a video explaining how to use an API key to connect Orca Slicer to OctoPrint. I've already made a video, but it'll be down here. Also, the video from Leo Tech Labs is down below. And thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about this process, I'd be happy to answer in the comments.